second day of the 6th MEIDAM was yet another busy day. We were honored today to host the scientific session of the Saudi Society of Dermatology and Dermatologic Surgery. We had a parallel full-day session of the Arab Association of Surgical and Medical Aesthetics. We were also so happy today to present the certificate awards to the best 3 poster presentations, and representatives from all GCC countries came together to improve training for future dermatologists. And finally, we were honored to sign our collaboration agreement with UNHCR to support their efforts for refugees all around the world. Today was an amazing day. We're looking forward to see you tomorrow on the 3rd day of the 6th MEIDAM. We are going to have the scientific session of the Pakistani Association of Dermatology and much more. See you tomorrow.